In this video, I'll show you how to clone a repository in 3 ways. Cloning a repository means downloading a full copy of a GitHub project to your computer. Unlike downloading a zip file, cloning keeps the project connected to Git, so you can pull updates, create branches, commit changes, and push your work back to GitHub if you have permission. The first way is cloning with the command line. Open the GitHub repository in your browser, click the green code button, and copy the HTTPS repository link. Then open your terminal, command prompt, PowerShell, or Git bash. Go to the folder where you want to save the project, then type git clone, paste the repository link, and press enter. Git will download the project into a new folder. The second way is cloning with GitHub Desktop. Open GitHub Desktop and sign in to your GitHub account. Click File, then Clone Repository. Choose a repository from your GitHub account, or paste a repository URL. Select the local folder where you want to save it, then click Clone. This method is easier if you prefer a visual interface instead of commands. The third way is cloning with Visual Studio Code. Open VS Code, press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows, or Command-Shift-P on Mac, then search for git clone. Paste the GitHub repository link, choose a folder, and wait for the project to download. When VS Code asks if you want to open the cloned repository, click Open. After cloning, check the README file for setup instructions. Some projects need extra tools, dependencies, or environment variables before they can run. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.